So it is after the iPod Nano fail upgrade. And we are both really frustrated and angry. So we do something we hopefully can't fail.
And I'm telling you, if this fails now, I'm gonna flip it.
But this is not so hard because it's a bit larger.
Yes.
And it is nothing more than building a computer in a different case.
Yeah.
So, to sum up, what are we going to do? We're going to rip out everything here and put it in there. Yeah,
there you go.
So, let's do that.
Yes. Yes.
Can you even see something?
Yep, we can.
Good. Yes, we can. Let's start with this.
Rip it out like last time with the iPod.
On the iPod it was like, huh, what? No! No!
The problem was this fucking cable. And then it just got down.
No, it was seriously like this. We were like, okay, no. Now it's over.
No. This was just a little bit too much for us, but at least you got a freaking fail video.
Yeah, you definitely. It will be a little bitch to edit, but still.
Fuck you.
If we can get the footage off of this.
Yes.
Here we have the hard drive.
That's so much more pleasant. It just works.
I mean, seriously, you screw a screw here and look. No, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't.
No, wait, okay. Yeah, you think. There it is. It's out. Not like here.
Not like the fucking camera piece of shit on the iPod.
Chill. Right. Look how easy that was. Hard drive's out. And screws.
As well.
But way larger ones.
Yes.
Amazing.
we're so frustrated.
We're both
now the
like,
video is quite bad actually.
the video is really bad.
Because we're like, yay. It's
Oh.
so funny, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now let's flip the fucking computer and
Number 1. And number 2.
number motherfucking 2. Oh, if this camera would have
No.
I would have flipped it.
No. Definitely do not drop this camera. That would be not good.
I'm good. You know what? To soften up a little bit the feelings of this video, we're gonna do some serious shit like last time.
Serious? Alright, graphics card is out. The so beloved FX 5500.
Everybody loves it.
Totally. Like everybody hates it. That was Yamaha.
Yamaha!
Remember Yamaha. Didn't work. I can't get the power thing out here.
The power is too strong with this one. The force.
It's out.
Use the force, Luke.
And we don't
Maybe
even-
we do something else after this video because I think we need to stop from doing hardware stuff because we're pissed off about it now.
Now, right now, I will screw as much, just getting it disassembled, and then we make a break.
Yes, then we're gonna make a break just to chill a little bit.
Yeah, just to chill.
Because you don't know how much such a fail could really hurt
No,
you.
because you really, we invested so much, how do you say,
Time.
and effort, and then it doesn't work. And then it breaks.
Yeah, that really...
It might even blow up in our face.
Who knows? Finally a screw that fucking moves.
Yeah, look! All of those screws.
Apple! Use those screws.
Yes.
Use real screws, not your fucking...
Good old school Phillips screws that go out.
Yeah.
Alright, I think that's all.
What I imagine, how did the Apple employees did that back then when they had to do it?
Those poor bastards.
Really? Oh my god, this must have been horrible.
So, motherboard is out.
Okay, so let's go to...
Yeah, let's go chill.
We are back trying to be nice again.
Yeah, we calmed a little down, and now we hopefully get this Pentium 4 running in that other
And yes,
case.
we're doing it without
Tripod.
this tripod because, yeah, you don't need to know.
Because of the Illuminati.
Yep, Illuminati. This thing down there was made for the Illuminati.
Now I really think it is.
And our camera still is loading for other project that you will never know.
Okay.
Oh, it's one more thing.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah. Great.
How does this go out? Not.
Oh no, not again. Not again. Something that doesn't want to go out. Hey.
And one more. And then we are inside of this case.
Piece of
This case is a piece of crap. It looks like a piece of crap,
but
and
this
it is a
is the
piece
PC
of
from
crap.
Barmer's Thoughts.
Yes!
This is special PC, you
Special edition piece. You can buy it. You can buy it if you want. Just
Buy
the
it.
case.
You can buy this piece of shit as well. Non-working iPod will blow up.
There we go.
And it broke.
Yeah. What? Why is it stuck here? No, seriously, why is it? Can you see where this is hanging?
Actually not.
Ah! Hey, it worked.
Always rip on it. That's always gonna work.
Here you go. The solution is to rip it off. Thanks. And hallelujah, hallelujah.
Yep. Where's the Yamaha? There is the Yamaha.
And so beloved graphics card.
Yeah, of course. The FX 5500AX.
Whatever that means. This worked pretty good.
Yeah. So now let's rip it into another PC.
I will now show you how amazing opening a case can be.
Show them.
Look, that took 1 second.
Look at them. Look at those.
Yeah. That is for securing stuff.
Stuff you don't need to know.
Stuff.
Stuff. Just believe us.
Okay, and I just forgot the plate thing,
Nice.
so we need to rip it out here.
The Barmer's Thoughts PC.
Yeah, maybe we will build another PC inside of this, and then it is the official
Barmer's PC.
Armor PC.
Yeah, it will have the Pentium 1.
When was Windows 1 out? No, that was pre the Pentium 1. That was...
No, that was pre.
Yeah. Whatever. Pentium 1 with 30 megs of RAM. Something like this. And it runs Windows 95 with the developers.
What developers?
How does this go in? This way? Like this?
No, other way. Other way. Oh.
Are you sure?
Oh no, I'm not sure. This is no
this
other way.
way.
Yes, this way.
Okay.
Okay.
No. This is always a little tricky.
For the love of God, go in.
Come on, come on. That's good. Sitting there. Yep.
Great. So that's
Excellent.
So let's change perspective now.
Yes.
Finally back with a more useful perspective.
Yes. We're now about to put in the main board.
Yes.
And I don't know what this is, but it needs power.
Okay.
And no, we should put in first the
Power supply.
power supply. You give it to me.
There you go.
Thanks, mate.
Mate. Oh no, it's happening.
It's happening again.
Sorry, my mate.
No, I recently watched the first Mad Max in English, in the original, and it's an Australian movie.
Oh no.
And they all talk like that, man.
Mate.
It's
Not
fun.
Mate.
Why is it not going in? Okay, now.
Mate.
Do you remember when we said to Siri,
What's going on, mate?
What's going on, mate? And he totally understood it.
That was kind of bad. Serious, that racist.
Yeah.
I mean, the MacBook, they again flipped it.
MacBook, you mean the
new MacBook.
The new MacBook. Now they're starting the same shit with the MacBooks.
Well, like with the iPad. Yeah, the new iPad was shit as well.
The new iPad.
It was heavier than the predecessor. Nice.
Wow. What did it have? A full HD
display.
camera?
A Retina display.
And the Retina. And a little bit better processor.
Yeah, it was getting hot as fuck.
And it's even heavier.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
So it is no way better than the iPad 2.
No, it isn't. I like my iPad 2. Yes, guys, you still can use the iPad 2. It still works. It's not that much of a shit piece.
No, actually not
a shit piece.
A shit piece is this here.
What are you doing, actually? Please don't kill the mainboard.
This is a really close. I mean, it works. It goes in usually, but it's really.
It just sounds bad.
Oh my god. Sounds so bad.
Sounded like when I pinched the battery on the iPad.
No. Not another piece that doesn't go out.
Let me.
This one, just pull on it. Not this here. This thing.
I need to pull.
Just to rip it off.
Oh no, not again.
Just with all force. Yes! Yes!
Where did it go?
Yeah, I don't need it anymore. No one likes it.
No, wait. Don't tell me.
No, it works. It's just...
Oh shit, that sounds so bad.
This is so bad, yes. Can I get it down there?
No, there's a connector.
And this...
Yes?
It's all in the way.
Yeah, I can... Wait. No,
there's just this one
to be there. This one?
This one, yes.
What's blocking? Wait.
What's blocking?
There.
Oh, and there's another one there.
And another one.
And another one, yes.
And another one.
Oh, there's another such a thing.
There's one more thing.
One more thing. Wow, this mainboard has to.
Where is the one more thing?
There, rip it out.
Oh, Jesus. What are those things actually?
For cable management.
Holy fuck! It broke.
This can break.
The problem is I can't pull on it.
What?
Because it broke that way.
What? Doesn't matter.
Okay. If you wanna play games, where's the fucking knife?
I wanna play a game. There.
Well, they wanna play a game. Gonna play a little game.
Yeah. Rip it out. Yes. It's working, guys.
The knife. Always.
A knife is good.
But don't use a knife when the mainboard is under it.
That's a bad idea. We'll short out everything.
Or an iPod battery.
Okay, now let's... This is some really tight shit here.
Wait, should I help you?
Maybe. Here, yep.
Wait, fuck. Oh, that sounds really bad. Wait, there's...
But it fits.
Yes! I mean, everything broke hell, but... What?
And now the standoffs are the wrong way.
But there's still one.
There's another one? Okay. Oh, that was the problem. Okay, now we need to line it up anyway.
Line it up? Yep.
Yeah, perfect. Excellent.
Finally something that's working.
Look at that, that's mint.
Let me screw something up now. That can't be those screws. They're going in without me doing anything.
Seriously?
Yep.
Oh, then just do the fat ones, the
fucks, the FF ones.
The FF class ones. They should work. They always do in the computers.
No.
What?
Look.
Just try it on here, for example.
Oh, here they work. What?
Maybe there's one like
fat fuck one.
Yeah, messed too much. I don't know. Look at this iPod. That is a messed up iPod.
Yep, that's a messed up. It's even bent a little bit.
There, yeah. And this back, this piece. We failed at this piece. If you can get this out and you make a video about it, how the fuck did you do it?
I will send you a beta key for Heroes of the Storm. I'm not even kidding.
Seriously?
Yes, I have 40.
Oh yeah. That's an offer.
Because Blizzard sent so many. Thanks.
Or we will send you this iPod there, and you can repair it.
Yes, and then send it back. Okay. Yep, this should be enough.
I actually have finally another proper cooler for my Pentium 4.
Whoa, get up.
Yeah, not this one there. Alright, we need to do the case fan again if I find it. If I find it. Oh, there it is. Okay. This cable will be a little annoying. The thing is, where are the jumper things?
Oh no, not the jumpers again.
I have no idea where they are. Do you?
I can't even see it.
Maybe here? Maybe here? Who knows?
I think actually does.
Do you remember where I pull it out? Or
nope, not really. Haven't seen it actually.
Well, we just do it later.
Yep.
USB.
Bay.
USB, mate.
Why? Now we're offending Australians, and that's great. What?
Oh, there it says power. That is power, I suppose.
Power, always power. They just can't write power, they need to write pool.
And you know what's bad?
What?
This one thing is bent. But I bent it back in place now. Now I made it even worse.
Oh, now we have another one of those.
Okay, we'll do this at last time. And it does not really not have. This is audio, and the problem is this does not have audio. This mainboard, so
well, that's bad. So just leave it.
Those are for nothing. And yeah, what is that?
Well, why do we need a sound card if we have no audio?
No, that's audio. This here on the front.
Oh, okay.
The connectors, and that is USB. And here it says USB 78, whatever.
78, mate.
You know, I'm not doing those jokes, and you always saying that I should stop.
But they're funny. Come on.
They're funny, yes. Oh,
just don't get offended by them so easily.
No, I'm not.
No, I mean the other people.
Yeah. But people,
and I don't think that Australians are looking our videos, so...
Not. Why not, mate?
See? There you go! Just don't bitch about it.
I'm not bitching. Okay, I've got the USB in.
Got it in? Oh, fuck.
USB is in.
Okay, so what now?
There's still a lot left. We have this. Oh, cables again. And hard drive. Where is it? Where did I put it? Oh, here.
So there it is. On the iPhone.
I think this hard drive is too fat.
It's a fat fuck.
Yeah. It's unlocked, yep. Does it work in?
Nope.
It's seriously too fat. No.
It's too badass.
No, okay. It just goes in, just.
Are you lucky bastard?
No.
Nope.
It's way too fat.
Great. So everything's fucked up now.
No. Okay. Oh, come on. Okay. God, it's in. And I still need to reattach the jumpers here. The last thing we need to do is the optical drive wiring and just about every wiring that is to do. And then we're done. Yay.
When I'm looking closer here, it's not even pinched. We have luck.
Oh.
We had luck that we didn't cut.
That's why it didn't blow up.
In our faces.
That would have been pretty bad.
Oh really? No, that would be so good, you know?
We could have died.
We could have fucking died there. Just boom and everything's gone.
Yes. Man, this is the worst cable management you've ever seen in your life.
Ah, maybe some have even worse one.
This is just doesn't matter. Just put it there.
Put it there.
This is probably gonna melt from the CPU fan, but whatever. Heatsink, sorry. Now this is, what is that? The card reader, I don't care about that right now.
The card reader, I don't care about that shit.
No, do you care about it?
Card reader, not really.
No.
We would care if we would export those videos.
Yeah, if we would. Now, in order just to test if this computer actually boots up, we need to short out those two ports. So, let's try to get this all somewhat organized. Right here.
Yes.
There's another one here. So organized, my God.
Here it's perfect.
You want to put in the cards?
Of course.
It's really simple.
Oh no, it's so hard. I can't. So here comes the famous graphics card.
That's so beloved.
Here?
Can't say.
Do you want to get it here?
The HEP.
Yeah.
The first, the brown one.
Oh, come on. Okay.
Yep, this case is really small. Although it's still a tower. Yeah. You don't need to screw it in.
Okay. Where's the Yamaha?
The Yamaha is here.
Oh, great.
You better use that one, or it's the easiest.
Oh, oops. Now we got it.
Yes. Okay, great.
Yamaha installed.
For some reason it doesn't like the last one. But who cares? Sin, can you make sure that this is...
Okay. Oh, come on.
Is it working?
Yep, it's in.
Great.
Great.
I will just put that piece here.
You just put it in there. That's professionality at its best.
Yes. So I can't really say where. Oh yeah, there is power. So we'll plug it in and put a screwdriver between those two, and then it should power on.
Yes.
And then see if it works.
Good. So see you then.
Yes. Okay, so we are ready to start it up.
Yep.
This cooler will be really loud and annoying. If I can find the power one.
Oh my. Yep, that's loud as fuck.
Maybe we should turn on the monitor.
Would be good. Max data.
Yeah. It's not an Acer Max data, whatever. Such a loud piece of crap.
Wow.
Apple keyboard. Three, two, one.
No. Boot. Oh, it's loud as fuck.
It's so annoying. But I have a program installed which brings it to chill.
Yeah, sure. Chill mode.
Yeah. Windows XP. When have you seen that?
It's a long time. It's loud, that's for sure.
Is it even that? Is it somewhat standable when it's closed?
Welcome.
Great. I will set this annoying fan down just right now.
What? Oh no.
It crashed. Oh, it's loading.
See you in a bit.
Okay, I set this annoying fan down, as you can hear.
Yes.
And
it's working.
it works. I will just go quickly on a website, because I just plugged in the internet cable. And yeah, then we'll close out of this video.
Yes.
So I need to bend the jumpers back, but that's what I'm gonna do when I've got time and when I'm in the mood.
Because we're not in the mood of breaking stuff again.
No, it's a really fragile, because this is one really badly bent. So.
It's as fragile as this fucking paper.
Oh, I know why it is like this. How many is now?
How many?
Which?
It's
May?
May 26th.
How many? Okay.
Why?
I need to set the time. because it ran out of the time. Alright.
It ran out of time.
Yeah, its time is over.
Game over.
What is that?
Its time is still over.
I know the risk. That's a great YouTube website, don't you?
Look at that YouTube website.
A new design.
It's a whole new. It's minimalistic as fuck.
Yeah, it's really minimalistic.
Back to the roots. That's what it's called.
Why is it really that shitty?
Let me look if it's the same on the iMac. Will be quite funny actually.
Yeah, today's the 26th. Oh, I said 2001. Oh.
Well, it's like what, mate?
It's like 14 years behind. Yeah.
Ah.
Oh, now it's better.
There you go.
There you go.
It's working.
Computer works. Success number 2.
Yes, finally after one fail.
Yeah.
See you later.
See ya.
Alligator.